What if I told you that the most dangerous part of aging is not your heart, not your brain, but something you walk on every single day? Your legs. Right now, as you're watching this, blood is supposed to be traveling upward from your feet, against gravity, back to your heart. But after 60s, that system starts to fail quietly. No pain, no warning, just slow, silent damage. Heavy legs, swollen ankles, sudden fatigue on short walks, and in some cases, blood clots that doctors call unexpected. Here's the frightening part. Most people blame age, but age isn't the real cause. The real cause is something far simpler and far more fixable. Tonight, I'll show you 4 movements that switch your leg circulation back on in under 5 minutes a day. No gym, no equipment, no medicine. But first, you need to understand why your legs are quietly shutting down. Your legs contain the largest blood vessels in your body. They're long, they're deep, and they fight gravity all day. When you're young, your muscles do most of the work automatically. But after 65, those muscles weaken. Your veins lose elasticity. Blood starts pooling at the bottom. That's why your legs feel heavy at night. That's why socks leave deep marks. That's why walking feels harder than it used to. Doctors have a name for the muscle that prevents this. They call it the second heart, and it's not in your chest, it's in your calves. Exercise 1, seated ankle pumps. Here's something most people don't realize. When you sit for long periods, your calves go completely silent. They stop pumping. Blood settles, pressure builds, swelling begins. Now watch how simple it is to wake them up. Sit comfortably, feet flat on the floor. First, keep your heels down. Lift your toes toward your shins. Hold for 1 second. Now reverse it. Toes stay down. Lift your heels. That squeeze you feel? That's blood being pushed upward. That's circulation waking up. Do this slowly, like tapping to music. 20 to 30 times. 1 minute. That's it. Most people feel warmth in their legs within seconds. Not later, not tomorrow, immediately. Exercise 2, seated marching. Now let's increase the power, because calves alone are good, but whole leg movement is better. Sit tall, lift one knee, lower it, lift the other. Slow, controlled, steady. This movement activates your thighs, your hips, your glutes, and your calves together. That combination creates a strong circulation surge. Think of it like this. Ankle pumps are a ripple. Marching is a current. 30 seconds. Rest, repeat. People who do this daily often notice their walking improves within 1 week. Exercise 3, heel to toe rocking. This one looks too easy. That's why people underestimate it. Stand near a counter or chair, shift your weight back, lift your toes, hold. Now shift forward, lift your heels, hold. This simple rocking motion forces blood to move both directions. It trains balance, strengthens ankles, and reduces night cramps. Physical therapists love this movement because it works multiple systems at once. 30 seconds. Rest. Repeat. Exercise 4. Calf raises. This is the king. If you only did one exercise for your legs, this would be it. Stand tall, hands lightly on support. Slowly rise onto the balls of your feet. Hold. Feel the squeeze. Lower slowly. That squeeze is powerful. It's your second heart forcing blood upward. Studies show this movement alone can reduce lower leg swelling dramatically in older adults. 10 to 15 repetitions, 2 or 3 sets. Slow beats fast here. Here's what most people never hear. Poor leg circulation doesn't just affect your legs, it affects your energy, your confidence, your independence. When blood doesn't return properly, your heart works harder. You get tired faster. You stop moving as much. And that creates a downward spiral. But movement reverses it, not intense movement, consistent movement. 5 minutes a day. That's all it takes to remind your body how it's supposed to work. Here's the truth. Aging doesn't steal your strength. Inactivity does. Your legs are not broken. They're just waiting for movement, waiting for signal, waiting for permission. Tonight, you don't need motivation. You don't need willpower. You need 1 minute. Stand up. Choose one movement. Do it now. Because the people who stay mobile in their 70s and 80s aren't lucky. They're consistent, and consistency always wins. I'll see you in the next video.